Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWise. If your Windows PC is stuck in the automatic repair loop, keep restarting, or says automatic repair couldn't repair your PC, this video is for you. I'll show you the most effective fixes that worked for most people. No reinstall, no data loss. Let's get started. So what's the automatic repair loop? Automatic repair starts with Windows fails to boot properly, but sometimes instead of fixing the issue, Windows gets stuck in a loop, restarting over and over. This usually happens because of corrupted system files, failed Windows updates, disk errors, or broken boot records. First, we need to access the blue recovery screen. Turn your PC on, and as soon as Windows starts loading, hold the power button to shut it off. Do this 2 to 3 times. On the next boot, you should see a preparing automatic repair. Eventually, you'll land on a blue screen that says Choose an option. On the blue screen, let's click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Repair. Windows will now try to automatically fix the startup issue. If it works, great. If it sends you back into the loop, don't worry, the next steps are more effective. Let's go back to the Advanced Options, and this time open the command prompt. Now carefully type these commands one at a time. First, let's check the Windows system file. Type sfc space / scannow and hit enter. Next, let's check your disk for errors. Type chkdsk space c : space / f space / r and press enter. Now let's rebuild the boot files. Type boot rec space / fixmbr and press enter. Next, type boot rec space / fixboot and press enter. Next, type boot rec space / scanos and press enter. And last, type boot rec space / rebuildbcd and press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your PC. This is one of the most effective solutions. From the blue screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. You'll see two choices: Uninstall Latest Quality Update and Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Let's start with the Quality Update first. These monthly updates are the #1 cause of automatic repair loop. If it doesn't fix it, come back and try the Feature Update. Now, this does not delete your files, it only removes recent Windows update. Once done, restart and check if Windows boots normally. If you created a restore point before this happened, go to the Advanced Options, select System Restore, and choose a restore point from before the loop started if you have one available. This rolls Windows back without reinstalling anything. If none of the previous fixes worked, the next option is to reset your PC. From the blue recovery screen, click Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files. This will reinstall Windows, but keep your personal files like documents and pictures. However, all your apps and settings will be deleted. Now, if Windows still won't boot or the reset option fails, you need to use a Windows bootable USB. On another working PC, create a Windows installation USB, boot your PC from the USB, then click on Repair your computer, not Install. This gives you access to the same recovery tools like the Startup Repair, Command Prompt, and Uninstall Update, but from a clean external environment. I've left a link in the descriptions below to my video showing you exactly how to create and use a Windows bootable USB step by step. If this video helped you fix your PC, hit like, subscribe to TechWise, and comment which step worked for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.